Welcome back guys. This is Ashwin here. In this video, we are going to install the necessary components for deploying the smart contract. So we are going to download Ganache, Ethereum wallet, and we are also going to see that Remix browser. First, let's download Ganache. Ganache download Windows, and you can go to this first link. So here you can able to download this software. If you click on this button, so it started downloading. I already downloaded this software. So we can move to the next step. And the next one is Ethereum wallet. So type Ether wallet, GitHub releases. So here in this My Ether wallet releases, open the link. And as you can see, you can able to download this Ether wallet. Just click on this link and it will ask for download. I already downloaded this one also. You can close it. I will provide you these links in the description. Check it out if you can't able to find the softwares. So these are the two softwares we need to use. First, let's open Ganache. We just double click it. So I already installed it. You just have to press install. After that, it will open the application. So I'll just launch it. So I can able to create a new workspace, or I can use it for temporarily using the quick start for Ethereum. I'll just click on quick start. So this will take some time for loading. In the meantime, we will extract this Ether wallet. So extract here. This will have these files. So here you just have to open this index.html in this folder. Let's open that. Let's close this. You can just close this one. So just close this notification. Now you have to create a password. So I'll just type hackers realm and create my new wallet. Now you can store this key store in a JSON file, so you won't lose it anywhere. So you can download this file if you want to use it later. I'll just go through it. So this is the home page of this Ethereum wallet. Now let's open Ganache. So this is our temporary addresses we can able to use. And this is the ID we are going to use here. So we will connect this Ganache to the Ether wallet. For that, click on this right pane and go to add custom node. This is my custom node that I have already created. So I'm going to create a new one. So we will just use this information and 7545 in the port 7545 name smart contract project. Now I'm going to use Ethereum. So I will save and use this custom node. Now you can see you are successfully connected. This is the file we are currently using. And you can see here network smart contract project. Now this is the basic setup we have to do before deploying the contracts. So if you go into the contract tab, so you can select some existing contract or you can deploy the contract here. So we will create a contract in the next video and deploy it. For contract creation, so Remix Ethereum. So we have to go to this IDE. Click on this. So as you can see, this is created an IDE. This is just a website, but we can able to create Solidity files here using this Solidity. And this is almost similar to some regular IDEs like PyCharm or Visual Studio Code, anything. So you can able to create your workspace here. If you go to the left pane here, if you click it means, so this tab will able to select you this language and the compilers and the version also. So here we can able to create our new file and able to execute that. So that's it guys. These are the three main things we need to do for the dependencies for deploying the smart contract. So the first one is remix.ethereum. So here we can able to write Solidity code and build our whole smart contract here. And the second one is Ether wallet. So here we can able to deploy the contract and interact with the application. And the third one is Ganache. So here we can able to see some of the addresses here. We can able to see the transaction counts and what are the number of blocks available. Like that we can able to see using this software. This is like a simplest version of blockchain. If you want to go into detail means we have to download so many things. That's why I'm just giving an overview. This is almost similar to the real one, but in the real one you have to download the entire blockchain. For Ethereum you have to download at least like 30 to 50 GB currently. So it varies from time to time, so it will gradually increase. So now we can use these softwares to build our smart contract. That's it guys. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel for future videos. See you guys in the next video.